And it's your 4 times table we're going to look at. So here we have it. Yeah, look at your 4 times table to help you. First one says, first step, 1 divided by 4 gives me 0 with a remainder of 1, making your second step 18 divided by 4. So if you go and check here, the closest one to 18 is 16, so we know it goes in 4 times with a remainder of 2. Third step is 27. See this? 27 divided by 4. Go to your 4 times table. Closer number to 27 will be 24, which is 6 times. And a remainder of 3. Question number 16. This is your 5 times table now. So we highlighted the column again. 6 divided by 5. I'm not going to repeat, but you know where to look at these for a closer number, right? And check your 5 times table. So it goes in 1s and a remainder of 1. So the 1 makes it 18 now for part 2. Step 2 is going to be 18 divided by 5. Gives me an answer of 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So you have a remainder of 3. Making your third step now 32. So 32 divided by 5. See, every time this comes up, it's highlighted there as well for you to check. So 32 divided by 5 gives me 6. And I have a remainder of 2. Question number 17. It's your 6 times table. And your 6 times table. So 5 divided by 6 cannot be done. So we have 0 and a remainder of 5. Making my second step now 52. So 52 divided by 6 gives me 8. Because 6 times 8, if you check here, is 48. And with a remainder of 4. Next step gives me 46 now. And 46 divided by 6 gives me 7. With a remainder of 4. Question number 18. 7 times table. 7 divided by 7 goes in once, so no remainder. Now your next step, your second step is going to be 4 divided by 7 is 0 with a remainder of 4. Third step is 44 now. So 44 divided by 7 gives me 6, because 6 times 7 is 42, and you can count you on your fingers, or if you know what it is, it will be a remainder of 2, because 6 times 7 is 42, then 43, 44, remainder 2 gives you a remainder of 2. Question number 19. 2 times table. This is easy. 1 divided by 2 is 0, so we have 0 and 1 there, making it 15. So 15 now, your second step will be 15 divided by 2 is 7, because 7 times 2 is 14, and a remainder of 1. Your third step gives me 14, this is it, this third step, 14 divided by 2 is 7 exactly, and you got no remainders. Question number 20. 3 times table now. And so we've highlighted your column there, your 3 times table. Look at it. So 2 divided by 3 gives me 0 and a remainder of 2. So your second step now is going to be 26 there together. 26 divided by 3 is 8, because 8 times 3 is 24 with a remainder of 2. next number now is going to be 21. Divide this number, 21 divided by 3 gives me 7 exactly, and 0 remainders. 21, question number 21 now. It's your 4 times table. 7 divided by 4 gives me an answer of 1 and a remainder of 3. So we all know now where your remainder must go in this little box. So your second step is 39 divided by 4. And we've highlighted it here. The closer number to 39 is 36, and we know it goes in 9 times. 9 goes up there, so 9 times 4 is 36 with a remainder of 3. Third step is 38. 38 divided by 4. 38 divided by 4 gives me 9 with a remainder of 2. Question number 22. It's your 5 times table now. 3 divided by 5. Right, goes 0 times and with a remainder of 3, making your second number a 37. So 37 divided by 5 goes in 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35 with a remainder of 2. Your third step is a number 27 now, divided by 5. Goes in 5 times because 5 times 5 is 25 with a remainder of 2. Question number 23. 6 times table now. 2 divided by 6 gives me an answer of 0 and a remainder 2. 29 divided by 6 will be my next step. 29 divided by 6 gives me 4 because 4 times 6 is 24 with a remainder of 5. 54 is my third step. 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6 gives me an answer of 9 with a remainder of 0. Question number 24. 7 times table. 1 divided by 7 is 0 because it cannot be done. Got 0 there and a remainder of 1, making my second number 18. So 18 now divided by 7 goes in twice, 2 times, because 2 times 7 is 14. And what do you think the remainders will be? Yes, 4. So making my third step now 46. So 46 here divided by 7 goes 6 times with a remainder of 4. They say practice makes perfect, so I know you're exhausted doing all this, but the more you do it, the better you'll get. Now we come to your final division part, and this time it's a 7-digit number. First, it's your, and this we're not helping you with the timetable grid this time. You have to do this on your own. So it's your 2 times table. So 6 divided by 2 gives me an answer of 3. No remainders. Then we have 9 divided by 2 gives me an answer of 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. So we have a remainder of 1. The third step is 17 now divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, giving me a remainder of 1. And then 13 divided by 2 gives me 6, because 6 times 2 is 12 with a remainder of 1. Now the number here is 15, so we do 15 divided by 2 gives me 7. 7 times 2 is 14, so we have a remainder of 1. Next number now here is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And no remainders. And your final number here is 1 divided by 2 can't go into 2, so it's 0. And we have a remainder of 1.